There's a quiet kind of magic that lives in the spaces we rarely notice, the moments between movement, between noise, between who we are and who we're becoming. It begins with a feeling, not a place, not a thing, just a subtle shift, as if the world has softened its edges and something within you finally exhales. The weight you didn't realize you were carrying slowly dissolves, replaced by a calm that feels both unfamiliar and deeply known. Light moves gently, almost like it's alive, drifting, dancing, whispering across surfaces. It doesn't demand attention, it invites it. And in that invitation, there's stillness. A rare kind of stillness that doesn't feel empty, but full of presence, full of clarity. You start to notice things differently. The way reflections blur the line between what's real and what's imagined. The way silence isn't actually silent. It hums, it breathes, it holds you. Time begins to stretch, no longer rushing forward, but unfolding slowly, like it's giving you permission to simply exist. There's a sense of floating, not physically, but emotionally, as if you've stepped outside the gravity of everyday life. The pressures, the expectations, the endless noise, they all feel distant now. What remains is something softer, something more honest. And in this space, you reconnect, not with the world, but with yourself, the version of you that doesn't need to prove anything, the version that finds beauty in stillness, in simplicity, in just being. Everything feels intentional yet effortless. Every detail, every shadow, every flicker of light seems to align with something deeper, something you can't quite explain, but you can feel. And maybe that's enough, because not everything needs to be understood. Some things are meant to be experienced, to be felt in the quiet corners of your mind, where words fall short and emotions take over. You realize that luxury isn't always loud. It doesn't always shine or demand attention. Sometimes it's subtle. Sometimes it's hidden in the way a moment makes you feel, the way it slows your heartbeat, clears your thoughts, and reminds you that peace is still possible. And as everything gently fades into calm, you're left with something rare, a sense of balance. Not perfect, not permanent, but real. For a moment, nothing is missing, nothing is chasing you, nothing needs to change. There's just this feeling, and somehow that's everything.